Hello, welcome to the channel, welcome to another weekly outlook. We're looking at the markets and we're doing our best to make it a successful week for you guys. NFP and FOMC has just passed throughout last week, so we tried to stay away from the charts a little bit, make it safe, make it not too risky for us. We're gonna dive into this straight away on Monday when this video releases, because the markets are looking very clean, very good in terms of the direction. The only issue being the economic news calendar itself. So economic news calendar itself is only bringing the news for us early on Monday and later on throughout the week on Thursday. And that's it. We have 3 trading days without any news drivers, and not only that, no news whatsoever throughout the days also. So it's gonna be a little bit iffy. A little bit of consolidation is quite expected on my end, but if you don't mind, leave a like to this video, subscribe to the channel. If you like the insights we give you here, pass by the Discord itself, and we're gonna dive straight into it, starting with bonds. Bonds are looking a little bit difficult to read because we pushed so high towards buy stop resting above, and we're trading at a level where we don't really see any data. But just to give you an evaluation on this, a review on this daily inversion, push to the upside, double top taken, buy side taken, everything looks brilliant. But to give a proper analysis, we have to come to the cash index itself, which is a little bit sad. But what else can we do? We're gonna have to trust the cash index for the upcoming week itself. So gonna be watching higher prices delivering, push to the upside hopefully, and 134.14 hopefully being hit. If not, we're gonna have to say enough towards this buy side resting above, but I very much think that 125.3 is gonna get delivered. Dollar last week looks brilliant. Order block held off the price, daily fair value gap pushes it lower. Fortunately, sell side is already being taken. I really wanted it to kind of hold inside this weekly fair value gap itself, maybe take sell side quickly and run away from it. But right now we're looking at an inversion right here, and we're gonna have to consider lower prices on dollar because of that. So something like this in terms of the market retracing back into the range, back into the weekly imbalance, and only then falling lower, and expect a little bit of consolidation around here. There's a volume imbalance from ages ago, but still it's very much relevant. So expect a little bit of consolidation there, but if it doesn't, the market is gonna run rapidly. The lower prices, watch that on dollar. Euro USD market looks a little bit difficult to read initially, but we have to understand that weekly chart, it gives a little bit of better insight. But what I'm watching right now is this daily inversion. Not only buy side was taken, I was expecting that to happen, but we inverted this daily fair value gap itself. Tracing back into it, push higher towards buy side and liquidity resting above, that would be quite expected by me, to be fair. So I'm gonna be closely watching that, because daily imbalance and weekly imbalance from early July, late May is holding in the price. Take a look at the weekly chart itself. Everything looks brilliant. I'm only expecting higher prices here. Pound, pretty much similar story to Euro USD, but a decision here has to be made whether you trust this being a bottom. I still would like sell side to be run through. Thus, I'm gonna say it out loud. I'm not gonna be too keen on trading GBP USD itself. I'm gonna be more focused on Euro and Euro delivery. So looking at the chart itself, if we trust possible fact of this being a bottom, we're gonna be watching this daily imbalance and a possible run towards it, right? And I have something to show you. I have something to show you where I would be quite interested in trading this, is this 4 hours imbalance. If this 4 hours imbalance gets broken to the upside, this is what you're looking at. A very nice 1 to 2 risk reward trade on a higher time frame, or all you're gonna have to do is execute it on lower time frames on Tuesday, Wednesday, possibly even Thursday this upcoming week. For futures, I'm actually gonna skip ES this time. I'm expecting lower prices. I don't have much to say here because Nasdaq is gonna tell us the real story. So just watch lower prices on ES. Let's jump straight into Nasdaq right away, because this is gonna give us a little bit more insight itself. Okay, so what has happened throughout the last 2 weeks? We ran away from the all-time highs, broke the structure, took out the double bottom, and we were like, is this it? Are we gonna continuously push higher now? Which is totally possible. And immediately on Tuesday, 2 weeks ago on 24th of July. We run through this daily imbalance, kind of inverting it, and then my interest goes towards sell side resting down below, this daily imbalance, and this sell side resting even lower where we're trading at right now. A daily inversion pushes the market lower, and what I'm watching right now, I'm watching for an immediate rebalance on Monday. I would love to see Monday's trading book a bullish candle right away towards this order block, which is possibly gonna allow the market to push lower. And I want to see this imbalance filled as soon as possible, maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, throughout the week. And because of the consolidation profile that I'm expected, bounce away from it back into the range. So if we're looking at the weekly candle itself, I would very much expect it to open up, push towards that order block, crash lower, and come back into the range. This would be a perfect weekly candle close, okay? So watch this. And this is gonna be it from me. We did a little bit analysis, we did a little bit of work, so I'm very much hope that you enjoyed what we do here. Hope you found it insightful. I hope you're gonna be able to use it for your trading this upcoming week. If you do, leave a like to the video itself, subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye!